This LQT professional hair clipper set combines a full-size clipper, precision trimmer, and shaver so you can handle complete haircuts and detailed edging with one coordinated kit. The metal housing with embossed detailing and a distinctive logo gives the tools a solid premium feel that is comfortable to hold during longer grooming sessions. Multiple guide combs for both the clipper and the T-shaped trimmer make it easy to achieve consistent lengths for fades, beards, and touch-ups at home or in a barbershop. The high-torque motor and stainless steel blades cut through thick hair cleanly without tugging, while the rounded edges stay gentle on sensitive skin. Long-lasting rechargeable batteries in each device provide extended cordless use between charges and can be topped up conveniently through universal USB connections. Because it handles haircuts, beard work, and body grooming in one organized package, this set makes a practical and thoughtful gift for anyone who prefers to maintain their look at home.